Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a true masterpiece of performance and engineering of the 2025 McLaren 720S. This supercar has already made a name for itself, but McLaren has taken it to a whole new level with this latest iteration. Let's start with the heart of this beast. Under the hood, technically behind the seat, so you get a 4.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8 that delivers a staggering 720 horsepower and 568 pounds-to-feet of torque. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, allowing this McLaren to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds. And if you keep your foot down, you'll hit a top speed of 212 miles per hour. It's an absolute monster on the road and track. One of the standout features of the 720S has always been its aerodynamics, and the 2025 model refines that even further. The active rear wing adjusts dynamically to optimize downforce and braking performance, while the sleek bodywork is designed for minimal drag and maximum stability. The dihedral doors not only look amazing but also improve airflow, making this car as functional as it is beautiful. Step inside, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit with a perfect blend of luxury and race-ready design. The materials are premium, with Alcantara, carbon fiber, and leather throughout. The digital gauge cluster transforms based on your driving mode, ensuring you have the right information at the right time. The infotainment system is intuitive, but let's be honest, when you're behind the wheel of McLaren, you're not here for the touch screen, you're here for the drive. Speaking of driving, the 720S offers one of the most engaging experiences you'll find in a supercar. The hydraulic suspension provides an incredible balance between comfort and sharp handling, making it surprisingly livable for daily driving while still being an absolute weapon on the track. The steering is razor sharp, with plenty of feedback, making every turn feel precise and confidence-inspiring. McLaren has also focused on reducing weight wherever possible, keeping the 720S at just over 3,100 pounds. With a carbon fiber monocoque chassis and lightweight components throughout, this car feels incredibly agile and responsive, allowing you to push it to its limits with ease. At a price point starting around $310,000, the 2025 McLaren 720S is not for everyone, but for those who can afford it. It offers an unparalleled blend of speed, technology, and driving excitement. Whether you're a collector, a track enthusiast, or someone who just loves the thrill of a supercar, the 720S delivers in every way. That wraps up today's review. Let me know in the comments what you think of the 2025 McLaren 720S. Would you take this over its rivals? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more supercar reviews. See you in the next one.